Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy it. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 134. If we start with this box, we're missing 4 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 4, 9, 4, 9. For this row, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 covering these two boxes, so our 7 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 6. 5 here, so 1, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got a 1 here and an 8 here, so this is our 4. I don't see any other help. So 1, 8, 1, 8. For this box, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. That 9 makes this our 1, 9. For this top row now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this column now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. That 8 makes this our 1, 8. For this bottom row now, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 9 here and a 3 here, so this is our 2. 3 here, so 9, 3. That 9 makes this our 4, 9. For this column now, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 7 here, so 9, 7. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this box, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. For this row, we're missing an 8. For this row, we're missing 1 and 4, and I don't see any help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this row, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this row, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 6. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. That makes this our 1. And for this box now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.